Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this table about a group of students from class A and class B, the number of males and females, okay? Part A, we are going to select one student at random, find as a fraction in its lowest terms the probability that the student is from class A, okay? So this whole group, right, the most important thing I need first is what is the total number of students for this whole group. So I add all the numbers up and that gives me 68. So the probability that a student is from class A, how many students are there from class A? Well, 15 plus 21. Therefore, the answer will be 9/17 because it will be 15 plus 21, 36 over 68, 9/17. Find the probability that a male from class B is chosen. How many males are there in class B? 12. And therefore this answer will simply be 12/68, 3/16 in its lowest terms, simplest form. And that is for part A. Part B, we are going to select two students. And because we are going to select two students, one after another, we will assume that it is without replacement. Find the probability that both students are female. So I would then need to know how many students are there. How many female students are there? 21 plus 20, 41. That's the total number of females. So you will then see if I chosen the first student to be a female, it will be 41/68. Okay? But after I chosen this female student out, what happens to the total number? Yes, it reduces by 1 because I've taken out one student. And this student is a female. At first it's 41. How many female students left after I've taken out one female student? Yes, I'm left with 40 students. And what do I do with these two probability? I multiply them. And that will give me 410 over 1139. Part 2. At least one student is from class A. How do I interpret that? Well, I can interpret this as 1 minus no student from class A. And what is no student from class A? No student from class A means the two students I've chosen, both are from class B. Okay? And how do I get this probability? It's quite straightforward. There are 32 students from class B. If the first student, it will be 32 out of 68. And because I've taken out one student from class B, I'm left with 31 students. And because I've taken out one student from the group, total number becomes 67. And I just need to multiply them. And after which I use 1 minus this probability, I will get the required probability. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.